In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image into an Excel cell using the latest update. First, open your Excel workbook and head to the worksheet where you want to add the image. It's a good idea to zoom in a little so you can clearly see the cell or range of cells you're working with. Decide exactly which cell should contain the image. Remember, when we say in a cell, we really mean that the image will be sized and positioned so it moves and resizes along with that cell. Next, make sure the row height and column width are roughly suitable for the picture you're going to insert. You can always adjust these later, but giving yourself enough space up front makes alignment a lot easier. If needed, drag the borders of the row and column headers to create a comfortable area for the image. Now, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. Look for the Illustrations or Pictures option, depending on your version. Click on Pictures and choose the source of your image. This could be from your device, from stock images, or from an online source, as long as it's saved somewhere you can access. Browse to the image you want, select it, and click Insert. Excel will drop the image onto your sheet, usually in the center of the visible area. At this point, the picture is floating above the cells, not truly tied to any specific one. Click on the image to select it, then drag it so that it sits directly over the cell you chose earlier. Use the resize handles at the corners to scale the image down so it fits neatly within the cell's boundaries. Holding the Shift key while dragging a corner can help maintain the image's proportions, so it doesn't look stretched. To make sure the image behaves like part of the cell, right-click the picture and choose Format Picture. In the Format pane, find the Size and Properties or Properties section. There you'll see options like Move but don't size with cells and Move and size with cells. Select Move and size with cells. This setting ensures that if you resize the row or column, or if you insert or delete rows above, the image will stay aligned with its cell. Finally, click away from the image and test it. Adjust the row height or column width slightly to confirm the image moves and resizes along with the cell. Once you're happy with the alignment and behavior, you've successfully inserted an image into an Excel cell using the latest method.